Hey YouTube, I'm just doing a follow-up video on the new Colt Python that I removed the barcode off the side of. I guess it bothered a couple people that I did that, and one gentleman said that if it bothered me that bad, why didn't I just go buy an older Python? Well, he didn't watch the video, and he didn't see that I compared it. I showed an old Python in there. So here's a side-by-side of an older Python. This is a stainless one made in 1984, and this is the new one made in 2020 or 2021, somewhere around there. There's no longer a barcode on the side of it. We just took that barcode off the side, made it look a little bit more appealing to the eye. But anyway, folks, I wanted to show a side-by-side video of these two Colts. They're a lot more similar looking now. There isn't a big old stupid barcode on the side, and I don't understand the negativity in people. I merely do these videos to help people out, to give people a little bit of guidance and show them what they can accomplish if they put their mind to it. And that little barcode just kind of looks stupid to me, so I removed it off the side. It's my gun. I can do whatever I want to it, and you folks can do the same. You don't have to do what other people tell you to do. You do what you want to do. You buy what you want to buy. Not everybody's going to go buy these things. These things are thousands of dollars, and these are a lot more affordable. So they're very good guns, and you can make them look just as appealing as the older Colt Pythons. But anyway, folks, I just wanted to do a little quick side-by-side video on the new Colt Python and the old Colt Python. Both of them are in stainless, and neither one of them have barcodes anymore. It's pretty awesome. But if you have any questions, folks, I did a video that was guiding you through the steps I took. It was a quick video on how I removed the barcode off the side of this newer Colt Python. But anyway, folks, thank you very much for watching this little short video today. Have any questions, feel free to ask, and you folks have a great day.